Namaste everyone. First of all, I respectfully greet the honorable judges and the people, those who are watching this video. Myself, Forzina Rosebin Hoque, student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nagaon, Assam. A few days ago, a person near my home committed suicide. He was suffering from depression, or we can say that he was mentally and emotionally unhealthy. We also know the case about the famous Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, who committed suicide a few days, or we can say that a few weeks ago. Now, you might be thinking, why she is talking about all this, right? I'm just sharing my views that how much important emotional health is. If a person is emotionally unhealthy, how much it can harm that person and the particular person's family too. So today, in this video, I'm going to share with you about importance of emotional health for a happy life. So as the time is less, let me first introduce to you what exactly emotional health is. Emotional health is an important part of overall health. People who are emotionally healthy are in control of their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. They are able to cope up with the life challenges. They feel good about themselves and have good relationships. Now, a question may come in our mind. Is always being happy emotionally healthy? No. Always being happy doesn't mean that you're emotionally healthy. It means you're aware of your emotions. You can deal with the problems, whether they're positive or negative. Emotionally healthy people also feels anger, sadness, and many things like stress and all. But they know how to manage the negative feelings. They also know when to seek the help of doctors when it is needed. Researchers said that emotional health is a skill. So I have shared whatever I know about emotional health. Now lastly, I am going to say a few ways how to improve or maintain a good emotional health. So the number one point is be aware of your emotions and reactions. Number 2 point is express your feelings in appropriate ways. Number 3 point is always think before you react. Number 4 point is take care of your physical health. That is very important. Number 5 point is strive balance. Try to do it. Then the next point, the last but the most important one, be positive. Always be positive in every situation. That is the most important part of a person's life. If a person is always positive, that helps the person to do everything. You should be positive in all the situation in your life. So with this, I think I should conclude now. Thank you so much and thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you liked the video.